Pump tracks and skate parks, man. Sound for working on your bike skills. But don't forget about your backyard. A bit of DIY with some old pallets and a couple of timber sheets. I'm splitting the 4x2 off these pallets to save a few quid and do a bit of upcycling. 11 pieces at 4 foot long. Here's one I made earlier. Easy as that. After that, get one sheet of light or OSB board, 8 foot by 4 foot. Obviously this one's not new, but it'll do. The ramp I'm building is to be 3 foot high. On the left, the top deck is just 18 inch. Adding the thin strip of pallet wood on the right is also set at 18 inch in. And stuck out 2 foot at the top. This gives me a solid pivot point to draw the curve for the transition. Loop some string over a screw at this point and wrap it tight around a pencil or a marker pen. From the mark 18 inch in and 3 foot up, pull the string tight and mark out your curve. Flip this all on the opposite side and you've got your 2 sidewalls for the ramp. Cutting these out wants to be accurate, but it's not brain surgery. Just follow the line and take your time. Now for those 4x2 studs. Make a frame for the back of the ramp which is 3 foot high, same as the sides, and about 2 inch shorter than the top layer is going to be. This means when the frame is screwed to the sides, the top layers on the curved transition will sit nice and flush to the edges. This isn't essential, but I'm digging out some coping from an old half pipe we had to give the ramp a proper skate park feel. Quick scrub up and I'm ready to put it all together. I'll be making the ramp 4 foot wide, so the frame is 3 foot 10 inches wide. The sheets for the top surface are both 3/8 plywood. This is the only part of the ramp that I bought from new. Bonus when you're doing some building work at home, but the pallets you can pick up pretty easy. Two layers of ply is better for this, to take some hammer when you're riding it, and 3/8 bends perfectly. I've used the same ply to finish the top deck, and once that's screwed down, you've got a decent little quarter pipe, and just enough time left to test it out. There is one little lad who's been waiting all day. Leave us a comment and let me know what you reckon to this video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to see me add a roller to this quarter pipe and make it into an awesome box jump. And then try and send it.